Here's the donor vehicle right here. 5,000 pound lift capacity Caterpillar, 48 volt electric forklift. Gonna have everything as far as I need for guts. And here's my dilemma. Count them: 1, 2, 3. 3 electric motors. Gotta figure out which one does what. Might actually have to put some batteries in this thing and figure out before I start taking it apart. Anyway, there it is. And the forks are in the back of the truck. Probably can't see them. But there's the donor vehicle. I'll get a video of us getting it off. And this just got a whole lot more exciting. This is what's behind the front door, or the back door. Bam. Well, at least I know that that's going to be the motor controller. So let's get on with this project. Alright, here's the motor controller. I finally got it pulled out. And here's the potentiometer. I'm going to try to figure out how to put that in the car as the same pedal. Obviously, I'm going to clean it up. Got all the guts out of here. That's what it looks like bare. Just a big hunk of iron. Here, somebody, want to go have a seat? Alright, go up there. Alright, this must be up and down, because here's your pump motor and that's a drive motor. That motor weighs 180 pounds, so I'm going to try the pump motor first, considering the car so small. Here's all the wires. I'm going to reuse those because they're still good wires. Terminals are good on them. I have to go get another screwdriver, finish taking this off. Other than that, I've got all the wiring undone, and we're about to rip this sucker off this trailer, and that's going to be exciting. Good.
It worked a lot better than I expected.
Alright, giving everybody an update. If you do have a forklift, I've already cleaned this section up, this side up. Check it for rust, because it can get quite rusty. This is what the project looks like right now. Oh, I'm glad I bought a whole forklift instead of just a motor, because that's my output. So I'm absolutely going to need this spline gear. Probably cut it off right here from the pump. And I'm wondering if the drive motor is the same way. So before you decide to make an electric car, remember that. It'd be hard to find something with the right splines. Just like that. Had to pull the pump motor apart. And wiring. I had to basically disassemble everything here to get this wiring harness. I'm trying not to damage anything. All kinds of plugs on it. Wires going everywhere. Let's try to pull that out. And this is when I realized I had a big problem. This forklift weighs over 7,100 pounds without the batteries in it. And when I pulled it on its side, it landed on the wiring harness. So I'm going to stop this video here and try to figure out how to get this forklift up, because it's going to probably take me a while to lift this 7,100 pound machine. And for those out there that want to know what kind of power this car is going to have, the max RPM is 6,500. We'll see about that. Amps, supposedly 333. Duty cycle at 20% would be basically 12 kilowatts, 12,000 watts at 1,800 RPM. 36 or 48, but I'm going for 48. I might even do 60. Yes, you can put 60 volts on a 48 volt setup. It just don't run it 60 volts the whole time. Anyway, if anybody has any suggestions or questions, put them in the comments. And if you don't mind, please subscribe. Thank you.